Wait, nah, get back down there.
Who you rolling with?
See that?
Doobie Gang.
We out here.
Yes, sir. We are at the Orange County Convention Center today for TUNER EVO. AKOM shirts looking nice. Woo. Rosario.
What's going on, man?
You got it, my man? Said you came up and set up yesterday?
Wasting all the gas.
You made it happen, bro.
How you doing?
Man, I can't call it, bro. Everything good. So you gonna be getting set up for clean culture again, right? Yeah, you vending. Yeah, that's what I remember you told me when we was talking about coming to the show. You said you was
I gotta figure out a better alternate though, because all this I had to do 2 trips and do it, you know.
Just get you a Durango SRT8 or something.
I mean, hey, look.
Get you a Trackhawk or something.
Military guy in the middle gotta present themselves, bro. Yeah, they do that shit in the work. Everybody running.
Yeah, because of this one right here.
Ooh. stomach. Oh, bro.
Jay, you gotta get him. You on the floor.
Wait. Nah, get back down there.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that